Pinterest, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, if you don't already know. And today, I am back again with another sewing video. So if you saw my video a few weeks ago, gumawa ako ng flared pants. Today, we are making an entire outfit from scratch. Basically, this is part 2. So I sketched out this top design. I really don't know what it is. Just a heads up, the top that I created dito sa video na to is not the top that I sketched out na unang pinakita ko sketch, because I tried that out. Basta long story short, I ended up not liking what I made to sa original sketch ko. So, I made something simpler and it's kind of disappointing. Pero syempre, it was a good opportunity for me to practice basic sewing skills kasi I feel like masyado ako na-excite. Yung mga projects na ginawa ko so far is not that basic. I mean, basta basically allow yourself to be a beginner. I'm a beginner myself. Ayun, this was a good time for me to practice the basics. And I also made a headband. Just a simple cloth headband, and I'll be showing that as well in the video. The entire outfit is not perfect. It was the first time making these pieces. Hindi ako nag-practice yung mga practice pieces. Hindi ko nagagawa straight agad ako sa piece of fabric. But in the future, you know, better skills, the better materials, better fabric. But yeah, I ended up liking it naman for a beginner. So let's go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media accounts by Twitter, Instagram, and my TikTok at @ClaireYT. I'll be posting a lot of pictures there sa TikTok and mga videos ganun. So yeah, follow me there. I also made a headband, just a simple cloth headband. And I've been wearing headbands a lot lately ever since nagpagupit ako. Hindi ko siya ganito normally sinusuot. Usually naka-up yung bangs ko, pero wala lang, trip ko lang pakita yung bangs ko.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah.
I just wore all the pieces together, the headband, the top, and the pants. I styled it with some gold jewelry. I wore the bag that... NANI? I wore the faux fur bag that I made. I'll link it down below as well if you want to see it. I made the bag also. It's so cute. It matches well with the outfit. And I also wore the new nude boots that I got. And I'm just wearing a nude bralette under the top, just to avoid, you know. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know my sewing skills are not perfect. And I know my filming skills also are very it's kind of hard to film tutorials, and also like it can get stressful try to sew, try to film, you know, it's a lot. And I just do it all by myself, so please, I'm so sorry. I try to be better. And yeah, thank you for watching, and also thank you for 3,000 subscribers I just saw. I love you. Thank you.